Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Bryant with Amusement Source, and we are back here at SeaWorld San Antonio. We're actually walking up from the overflow lot, which I didn't actually know existed. So if that is the tone for the day, it might get pretty interesting in here. So we do want to check out the electric ocean thing that they have going on right now. And of course we want to check out the construction on the new roller coaster they are obviously building. So we're gonna head into the park. But we're inside the park now. We're actually gonna head over to the left, right when you walk through security, go to the aquarium and check out the dolphins and those things, because we didn't actually come over here the last time we were here. I want to know in the comments below, does deep water with tons of life in it freak you out? Because it kind of freaks me out. But this is also really cool at the same time. We're over in the main park now, and as y'all can see from this banner, Electric Ocean will take place from June 14th to August 11th. So you guys have more than enough time to experience the event if you like what you see later on in this video. I'm also a very huge fan of this Sesame Street wall situation they have going on over here near the front. And last time we were here they were still repainting Steel Eel, but it is finished now completely, and you can see this paint job looks great. So much needed. Checking out the penguin exhibit. If you guys remember, kind of at the beginning of the year they actually birthed some new baby penguins. It is pretty dark in the display though, so I don't think we would ever really be able to point them out, but it's still fun to watch them swim around. Look at this big guy right here, just hanging out. He's just enjoying his time. Here to have some electric ocean decor up in these trees. These probably light up, the jellyfish. I bet they light up at night. We have some other lighting instruments hanging up over here. I bet at night the pathway is all lit up and looking pretty cool, so we'll have to swing back through later on when it gets dark outside. Look at this guy right here. He's going for the poking, if you know what I'm saying. And of course we ended up here in the Chill Out Bar, which has the DJ and the lighting and the bar, and now a kind of, I guess, gift shop. So really great place to cool down. So as you can see, it's pretty popular. The really awesome thing is they do have employees dressed up in costumes out dancing in the middle and interacting with guests. So there's also one over here, but she's kind of hiding. So you can see this guy in the middle. And then there's the DJ up here. He's got his glitter beard and glitter eyebrows going on. So pretty awesome. I also did end up with a Jack and Coke. So they are using the paper straws here at SeaWorld now. And this was only $8, and my Platinum Pass discount worked. It's not going to focus on it, but it is pretty delicious.
If you're having a good time here in the Chill Out Bar, I want you to make as much noise as you can. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Over by the Great White roller coaster, we've got this exciting little turtle, sea turtle out here. We've got some lights on the floor, and just like before, we have lights on some poles up here, which probably means we're gonna have some pretty cool lighting effects here at night as well. guys real quick on this mystery thing they're building here at SeaWorld. I can't tell what it is. What do you guys think it is? It does look like it might be pretty fun though. And from this angle, over by the Orca Stadium, you can see the first lift hill of this new restaurant they're building. And then there's some more track right here. It looks like a pretty fun little turn they've got going on. And I say restaurant because who knows what it is, right? They pretend like they're doing nothing over here. Nothing to see at all. Here's kind of a closer shot over the wall. You guys can see this looks like it's gonna be a pretty action-packed, you know, kind of family wooden coaster over here. So very exciting. Nothing's been announced yet, so we're still kind of sitting tight while we wait to see what this ride is and what it's called. That is a terrifying bird. Where did it go? Oh my gosh, here it comes. Terrifying. It's huge. I'm looking for something to eat. While it is very hot outside, they do have a number of these Mr. fans going. There's one down that way, and we've seen about 4 or 5 other ones. So when you can, drink the water, get in the Mr. fan as well, because it's definitely warming up here during this month. I do want to point out that out here is where all of the Electric Ocean show related stuff is. So this is where you would sit to watch fireworks, to watch hydropower extreme effects, and all the other nighttime festivities for the event. And of course, we are going to check that out later on today. The other thing that's happening during the summer is the Sesame Street 50th birthday party parade. So we've picked out a spot and we are actually going to experience it. We did watch the parade during Christmas, the Sesame Street Parade, and it was fantastic. The way to know where the parade route is you'll kind of see the white lines and you'll see the yellow in the middle. Just line up right here, and it is near the front of the park, and you'll get to enjoy the parade.
Bring good news and to help you get around.
Look at the ducks, look at the back. For dinner, we're gonna try this turkey club sandwich. It has turkey, bacon, cheese, comes with potato salad. This was only $10.99. And then of course, if you buy 2 waters here, they are 2 for $6. But since we're platinum, we get 20% off of everything. So total, this was a 14 and some change. So super reasonable price for food here. Hilda.
Yeah?
Did you like the food?
I did.
So potato salad, super delicious. Highly recommend. And the sandwich was pretty great too. And like I said, super affordable. So something like that would have cost $5 or $6 more at Fiesta or at any Six Flags park really. So that was really the most refreshing part about it.
The guitarist, the drum solos, the wakeboard and sky ski. Add some H2O, throw some fire in the sky, mix it all up, and you can show something with its own warning label. You can hydropower extreme FX. Now we've got the elite team out there, ready to shred and kick it old school. So don't try this at home. Grab your air guitars, because we're ready to Right over to my left, your right, we're going to be sending the oldest member of our water ski team. This guy is a double legend. And here he comes now to reverse the effect from the Nova Forever. What you just saw there is two incredible jumps, but we're not done yet. Right here in the first stretch, we're going to combine the two. We got the bow with two ropes. Dana is going to be lift up. And he made it. Yes, he got it. Side by side, three-man, forever.
And as we exit the stadium from that amazing show, we've got some fun little light up sea life going on in the trees. Nice little touch.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for this trip to SeaWorld San Antonio. As you can see, nice and hot. Make sure you guys are wearing sunscreen, drinking water when you're out here. Very important. But we had a great time. It was very busy out here today. But they handled the crowds really well. We were able to pretty much do everything we wanted to do. And as you can see, the new construction on the roller coaster that's coming next year is coming along really well. It looks like it's going to be a really fun family wooden roller coaster. So we're excited to hear the announcement from SeaWorld on exactly what they have and what they're going to be building. And honestly, Electric Ocean was really fun. The entertainment aspect of Electric Ocean, the rock show with the skiing and the fireworks, lots of fun. Highly recommend you guys seeing that. As far as the rest of the festival, not a ton going on, to be honest with you. There's a few decorations here and there, but as far as, you know, anything else, there's not really a lot to do. And once the fireworks end, the park is closed, so it's not like you can really enjoy the stuff. But before the fireworks, the sun hasn't completely gone down before you go into the theater, so kind of a weird situation. But nonetheless, the show that they put on was tons of fun and unique, and I highly recommend it. If y'all have any questions about SeaWorld San Antonio, please ask in the comments below. The 50th Sesame Street birthday celebration parade, whatever you want to call it, that goes until I believe August 11th, along with the Electric Ocean festivities. So make sure y'all get out here. I know I am a grown adult, but the SeaWorld, or the Sesame Street Parade, I think it's awesome, tons of fun. So it's definitely worth checking out, especially if you have kids, because there's a lot of interaction and it's just a very well done parade. We hope to get out to SeaWorld again as soon as possible. I'm not sure when that will be. Hopefully before all of the Halloween festivities start up, but like I said, we'll have to wait and see on that. But we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you soon.